Satellytics is a software company. Its area of expertise, geospatial analytics. This science takes the power of the sun shining its rays on the Earth's surface or a body of water, and what bounces back is typically a unique spectral signature. That signature is received by a sensor, typically on board a satellite, but could equally be on board a drone, a plane, a camera, or indeed a stratospheric balloon. The Satellytics software, artificial intelligence, can not only identify the spectral signature of the target, and indeed, in many instances, can quantify it. We're going to take a look at a very specific area where we examine chemical analysis. The challenge that was posed was looking at copper dust coming off of the braking action of every time that you put your foot on the brake when driving, and trying to identify high concentrations of copper dust to prevent it from getting into the drinking water supply. So what you're looking at is the cloud-based Satellytics software where the data has now been processed through the algorithms and the results that we provide you within a couple of hours of receiving the data. On the left-hand side of the screen, you've got a menu. You can hide that menu. You log on using two-factor authentication, and here we're presenting a number of different project areas. So I'm going to pick on a roadway site, and remember, it's looking at the concentration of copper dust coming off of the braking action every time you put your foot on that brake. And you can see there is a relative scale on the right-hand side of the screen that I can just hide for the second. But as you pan across the area, the algorithms have specifically highlighted the roads. Now, there is a feature inside of Satellytics called Dual Maps. The default is to synchronize. However, you can unsynchronize that. And let's just say that in the second window, we wanted to look at not copper on roadways, but also copper on the land. And simply selecting that, what we've now got is the ability to look at that relative copper dust, both on land or on the roadways, and make an informed decision as to what our next step might be to remediate or prevent some of the consequences. For more information, take a look at satellytics.com, and really thank you for watching.